4, 3, 2, 1, action.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Baysick, and we're back with episode number 2 with Cooking with Baysick. As you can see, I'm in my natural element, got the chef fit on. We're doing things professional, and we're making a pizza today. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be using some barbecue sauce as our base because it belongs on pizza. Some nice pineapple. We got ourselves some cheese and some ham. Now, we'll be making this from scratch. As a professional, I'm always prepared, and I prepared one earlier. Let me just get that on. Make sure you preheat the oven when starting your pizza making because you want it nice and toasty when you start. So what you want to do, depending on your model, we have a baked pizza mode, and then we'll put it up to, we'll put it on 230, 220, and just leave it at that. So I prepared one earlier. Oh fuck, there we go. I prepared one earlier. Oh, it fits in perfect. Okay, now we're gonna get our nice sauce. Oops, there's a bit of a mess. That's what happens when you go in the wrong hole, am I right? It's not the right color.
Wouldn't know.
Anyway, just rub this in nice in circles. You know when you've done a good job, when it reaches climax. Circular motions is usually what does the trick. If you don't do it in circular motions, you'll be here for a while, a couple of hours maybe. Just depends, you know, on how fast and how hard you rub it in. But yeah, we want the whole thing covered because we're professional at work here. Most people would spray the pan with oil before putting in this. I don't care, I'm a professional. Now, we're gonna put on some cheese. Now, I love my cheese, so I'm gonna put in a good amount. Now, you can use other sorts of cheese, but because we're professionals, we like stuff that's easy to use, that's on hand. But we love our mozzarella. Cheese is done. Now for our ham.
Oh man, I don't need this. This is incorrectly made.
Professional at work here. Anyway, so 3 slices is fine. Now because we are high production quality here, Coles is probably the best brand. You know, you're given that liberty. Best bang for your buck ham, I would say. You know, just cut into 4 widths. And then just bang, 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 bang. And then before you know it, Al Qaeda is at your door. Now we put the ham on. Maybe I put too much ham here, but it's all right. Ham is ham. Now, unfortunately, there is no halal certified ham, which is a shame. I don't know why. Now, as a chef, quality control is the best. Very good. Now, it's time to put pineapple on the pizza where it belongs. I don't care what you people say. You can click off the video now. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe and check out my other cooking video, which is just over here. Just, you know, watch that one. Oh, I just built some quality control. Nice and sweet. Will make other things taste nice and sweet too. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Now, ideally, you want to use 1 can per pizza. Ideally, to make the bang for your buck. If you're a tight ass, you'd have 2 pizzas per can. All right, I think I'm gonna become a tight ass. Because I love cheese so much, we're gonna add more cheese on top, and you gotta do it the right way. Proper cheese here. If you don't put real cheese on your pizza, you're just a fraud and a phony. Now, because people do like stuffed crust, we do our own version here, own variation to it. Now, 1 square should go around 1/2 of your base, depending on how good you are, you're cutting and your pizza base making skills. A piece of the resistance. Bingo. So pizza, it's ready to go. We're gonna put this in the oven. Now, we'll put this in for, I'd say 15 minutes is a good time. We'll come back in 15 minutes time and we'll see where it's at. So pizza's almost ready. We're just waiting on the final minute. Oh, there it is. Let's get our PPE here. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Bloody beautiful. We're gonna just get that out of the way. A bit of rubbish on the bench, so we'll turn that off. Beautiful pizza. So now we've got to cut the pizza, as you do. Oh, yeah, just, yeah. Oh. Let's have a try of our amazing pizza. Put a lot of effort. See, simple Hawaiian pizza, just ham, pineapple, and cheese, and voila. I give this a 5 out of 5. This is brilliant. Beautiful. Now, if you want to see the base that we made, I'll put a link in the description because I think our files got corrupted again. Just such unlucky on this channel, man. Just bad luck all around. But the base is just nice and crisp. We had it in there for 15 minutes at 2:30, and mate, just bloody brilliant. If you burn your pizza, just call Domino's, 131 888. That's the number from memory. I know. Funny how I know that. Make sure you tune in next time for another video. This video gets 10 likes. We'll make another episode of Cooking with Basic. Anyways, keep it simple and peace.
Oh no, it's got pineapple.
And cheese.
All pizzas have cheese.
Don't know how this is gonna turn out. So you put salmon on there, which wasn't part of the recording. We just, the last minute thing we just decided to do. Once it was in the oven, took it out, put on some salmon. The cheese, looks like we left the plastic on the cheese, to be honest. This is the moment of truth. Do you wanna go first? Okay, I guess I have no choice here. There is the pineapple fell on the other one, oh well. That is fucking hot. Not that bad actually. This is pretty good pizza. This is better than the first one. No cap. In saying that, I think you should put the square cheese first, put your ingredients, and then put the mozzarella on top. I mean, at least it seals everything in so it can't fall off. Like, that's a good pizza, right? If you have any suggestions on what we should cook next, leave them down in the description below. We'll go from there. Keep it simple and peace.